Welcome to iPlus Education. Today I am going to discuss problems of progression. Let us start this concept by this problem. We have been given find the sum of all 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 4. Now we want all 3-digit numbers. Let us take 100. If I take 99, 99 is a 2-digit number. So leave this 3-digit number start with 100, 101, 102, 103, 104 up to so on 999, 999. If I take 1000, then this will become 4-digit number. So do not take 1000. We have these 3-digit numbers. Now out of these 3-digit numbers, we want numbers that are divisible by 4. So let us check the first number. We have 100. 100 is divisible by 4. So out of above numbers, we want numbers divisible by 4. We want numbers divisible by 4 out of these numbers. So 100 is divisible by 4. So take it. 101 is not divisible by 4. 102 is not divisible by 4. Next number is 104. So 104 is divisible. Next, we want divisible by 4. If I get first number, then you add 4 to this number, we will get the next number. Now add 4 to this number, we will get 108. Similarly, we get 112 is the next number that is divisible by 4. So adding 4 to the previous number will give you the next number divisible by 4. Similarly, we will get the last number. 999 is not divisible by 4. We can take 998. This is not divisible by 4. 997, 996. Let us check for 996. It is divisible by 4 or not. 4 2s are 8. Now we have this. 4 4s are we have 16. We have 3 and 36 will come here. 4 9s are 36. So 996 is the number that is divisible by 4. So the last number is 996. We do not require this division. Or getting the last number is very difficult for us. Even you can think like that. 1000 is divisible by 4. So we have 4-digit number 1000. If we subtract 4 from this, we will get 996. So this is also a method of getting the last number 996. Okay, we got numbers that are divisible by 4. If we observe this sequence is in AP. So this sequence are in arithmetic progression. This first number is denoted with A1, second denoted with A2, and so on. The last number is denoted with AN. We actually don't know the number of terms in this sequence. We have to know how many numbers of terms are there in this sequence. Now, in arithmetic progression, we usually calculate common difference. So let us calculate common difference. Common difference, it is denoted by small letter d. It is a difference of first two terms, A2 minus A1. So d is A2 minus A1. We have A2 as 104 minus A1 is 100. So we will get first term 4 as the difference. We got common difference d. Now the formula for this AN is in arithmetic progression, nth term is denoted by AN. Its value is given as AN value is 996. We know the formula for this AN. AN value is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 996. This A means first term. We denote this A1 or as A. Both are same. So this value is given as 100 plus n value. We don't know this n value. We have to calculate this n value because we want to know how many numbers are there. So the common difference we calculated as 4. We have 996. Now send this 100 here. We have n minus 1 into 4 is equals to 996 minus 100. We will get 896. N minus 1 into 4. Divide by 4. We have 896 divided by 4. Now let us divide it. 4 2s are 8. We have this 9. 4 2s are 8. 1 now 16. 4 4s are we have 16. So we will get 224. So n minus 1 value is 224. Send this one here. We have n is equals to 224 plus 1. So n value is 225. So we have 225 such numbers that are divisible by 4. In the question, we have been asked to find out the sum. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms in arithmetic progression is given by Sn. Sn is given by n by 2. Here we have a plus n minus 1 into d. Just make 2 here. So it will become 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to calculate sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Now we have Sn. N value is 225. We have to add 225 such numbers. Here n value is 225 divided by 2 into 2 into a value. A value is 100. So 100 plus n value is 225 minus 1 into common difference is 4. Now we have 225 divided by 2. Now 2 into 100 is 200 plus this will become 224 into 4. Now multiply this 224 into 4. We have 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 2s are 8. We have 896. 225 divided by 2, 200 plus 896. Now add 200, 1096. We have 225 divided by 2 into 1096. Now we can cancel here. 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So we have 225 into 548. Let us multiply here. 225 into 548. 5 is a 40, 8 to the 16, 20, 8 to the 16, 18, 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 10, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 9. We have 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10, 11. Now this will become 0, 0. This is 13. We have 10, 11, 11, 13. We have 2, 1. So 1,23,300. 1,23,300 is the sum of numbers that are divisible by 4. So this is the answer. Now for Sn, sum of n terms in AP, Sn, we have one more formula, that is n by 2 into a plus l. This is one more formula to find out sum of n terms in AP. Here n is number of terms in a sequence, a is the first term and l is the last term. Last term, and this is first term. So first plus last. Here we have n value as 225. 225 divided by 2, a value we have 100. So take 100 plus last term in the sequence we have here 996. So we have 9 96. So we have 225 divided by 2 into 100 plus 996 is 1096. Now cancel this, 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 8s are. So we will get 225 into 548. This multiplication will give you 1,23,300. Same answer that we have obtained by the different formula. Now let us solve this question. Find the sum. We have to find out Sn of all 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 3. So we have numbers divisible by 3, not divisible by 6. So let me write down first all 3-digit numbers. All 3-digit numbers are 3-digit numbers start with 100. So let me write down 100. The next is 101, 102 and so on up to 999. These are the 3-digit numbers. Now we want 3-digit number divisible by 3. So we want numbers that are divisible by 3. 100 is not divisible by 3. So all 3-digit numbers divisible by 3. Let us check. First number is 100. 100 is not divisible by 3. 101 is not divisible by 3. 102 is divisible by 3. 102 is divisible by 3. Let us check. 3 ones are, okay, let us take 3 threes are 9. We have 9. 3 fours are 12. So we have 34. So we can say that 102 is divisible by 3. The next number divisible by 3 is add 3 to this number, we will get 105. Next number is 108. Just add 3 to the previous number, we will get the next number. The next number is 111. Next is 114 and so on up to 999. 999 is also divisible by 9. One more thing is, if you want to know whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, let us take this number 111. If you add this number 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 3. If we get a number multiple of 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. If I take 999, you start adding this number, 9 plus 9 plus 9, we have 27. So 27 is a multiple of 3. Whenever we see a number is multiple of 3, then definitely it will be divisible by 3. So we have all this number divisible by 3. Now here what is given? We want numbers that are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2 into 3. So we have to eliminate numbers that are divisible by 6. So all 3-digit numbers divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2. So remove numbers which are multiple of 2. 102 is a multiple of 2. So leave this number. Here we have 105. So 105 is not a multiple of 2. Here we do not have 2. So take this number 105. Now 108. Here 8 means multiple of 2. So leave it because we do not want divisible by 6. So 6 is 2 into 3. So 102 is divided by 2 means it is divided by 6 also. Take 101, 111. Now the next number is 114. Here 4 is there, multiple of 2. So not divisible by 6, leave it. The next number, one more thing, if I get the first number, if I add 6 to this number, here not divisible by 6 is given. So if I add 6 we will get 111. If I add one more time 6, we will get 117. Similarly, we have numbers till 999. Now this is the numbers sequence which is required. If we observe this, we have a difference of 666. So this sequence is in arithmetic progression with first number is A1, second is A2. Now the last one is AN. Calculate common difference. Common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. We have 111 minus 105, that is 6. So we have common difference as 6. Now we want how many numbers are there in this sequence which are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6. So we have to take AN is equals to, we have AN is 999. We have a formula for AN. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 999. This term is A1 or A both. So A value is 105 plus N value we don't know. Common difference we got 6. We have 999 here. Now send this here. We have N minus 1 into 6 is equals to 999 minus 105. 9 minus 5 we have 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So N minus 1 into 6 is 894. Send this 6 here. We have 894 divided by 6. Now divide it. 6 ones are 6. We have to drop this 9 here. 6 fours are 24. We have 5 here. Now drop 6 here. 6 nines are 56. So we have N minus 1 is equals to 149. Now send this one here. We have N is equals to 149 plus 1, that is 150. So we have 150 such numbers that are divisible by 3, not divisible by 6. Here what is our sum? Sum of n terms in arithmetic progression is given by S suffix n, that is n by 2 into first plus last number. We have n. We have 150 divided by 2. First number is 105. Last number is 999. Now 150 by 2 is 75. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 5s are. So we have 75. Now add this 999, 105. So we have 14, 10. This is 11. So we have into 1104. 104 into 75. 1104 into 75. 5 fours are 20. 5 ones are 5. 7 fours are 28. So we have 28. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So we have this 82,800 is the sum of numbers that are divisible by 3 and not divisible by 6. This is the answer. Find the sum. Means we have to calculate Sn of all 2-digit numbers. We want 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3, not by 2. Let me write down all the 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are 10. First number is 10. Next is 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 99. These are the 2-digit numbers. We want numbers divisible by 3. So all two digit numbers divisible by 3. 1 plus 0 is 1, so this is not divisible. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Sum is the multiple of 3, means it is divisible by 3. So 12 is the first number divisible by 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, not a multiple of 3. The next number will be 14. 1 plus 4 is 5, not divisible. Next is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So 15 is a divisible by 3. Also, if I get a first number, add 3 to this number, we will get 15. Now add 3 to 15, we will get 18. Next is 21. We will get the last number 99. So these are the numbers divisible by 3. Here we want divisible by 3 but not by 2. Here 12. 12 is a multiple of 2. 6 into 2. So we do not want this number because in the question it is given divisible by 3 but not by 2. So leave this 12, take 15. Since 15 is not multiple of 2. Now 18. 18 means 2 into 9. So 2 is there. So leave this number. Take 21. So next number will be add. What is the difference here? We have 6 as difference. So add 6 to this number, we will get 27 and so on. This is the sequence, that is all two digit numbers divisible by 3 but not by 2. If I get a first number, then if we add 6 to this number, we will get the next number. Add 6 to this number, we will get the next number. Now this represents arithmetic progression. So the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. This is A1, this is A2. The last is denoted with AN. Common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. We have 21 minus 15, that is 6. So we have common difference as 6. AN value we have 9. Formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 9. Now the A value, A1 is also A. So A value is 15. This value is 15 plus n value we don't know because we don't know how many numbers are there in this sequence. So the difference we have 6 is equals to 99. Send this 15 here, we have 99 minus 15. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, we have 84. So n minus 1 into 6 is 84. Now send this 6 here, we have n minus 1 is equals to 84 divided by 6. Let us divide it here. 84. 6 ones are 6. We have 2 and 4. 6 fours are 24. So 14. N minus 1 is 14. Send this here. We have 14 plus 1, that is 15. So we have 15 such numbers that are divisible by 3 but not by 2. Now we want sum. Sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, we have Sn as n by 2 first plus last number. We have n value as 15 divided by 2 into, we have first term A value we have 15 plus last number we have 99. That is equals to 15 divided by 2. 99 plus 15, we have 14, 11. So we have 114. Now 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 7s are. So we have 15 into 57. 57 into 15. 5 sevens are 35. 5 fives are 25. 28. 1 sevens are 7. 1 fives are 5. So we have 5, 15, 8. So we have 8, 50, 5 as the sum of numbers. Find the sum of all 2-digit odd multiple of 3. Two-digit multiples of 3. Let me write down multiples of 3. We have 3. The next number is 6, 9, 12, 15. Up to 999. These are two-digit multiples of 3 excluding odd multiple. We want odd multiples. Odd multiples. So take 3 because 3 is the odd multiple. Leave this 6 because 6 is even multiple, because 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 is there. So leave this 6. We have 9. Next we have 15 and so on up to 99. This is the given required sequence we have. Now this is in arithmetic progression. Denoted with A1, A2, the last number with AN. Now calculate common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. So it value will be 9 minus 3. We have 6 as the common difference. Here we have 6. So this is in arithmetic progression. Now AN is 99. The formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 99. Now A value is 3. The first value is A only. This is A only. We have 3 plus N we don't know. D value we calculated as 6. That is 99. So send this 3 here. We have N minus 1 into 6 is equals to 99 minus 3. So we have N minus 1 into 6 is equals to 9. Now send this here. We have N minus 1 is equals to 96 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. We have 3. 6 6 are 36. So we have N minus 1 as 16. Send this here. We have N is equals to 16 plus 1. So we have N is equals to 17. We have 17 such numbers that are divisible by 3 and are odd multiples. Now we want Sn. So Sn formula is Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus L. N we have 17 by 2. Now first term is 3. Last term we have 99 here. Now 17 by 2 into 99 plus 3. We have 102. 2 ones are 51. So we have 17 into 51. So 255 is the sum of numbers. Find the sum of all integers between 1 to 50 which are not divisible by 3. Numbers between 1 to 50. So we have to take between this 1 and 50. Don't take 1 and 50. Excluding these two values, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 48, 49. These are the numbers between 1 and 50. We have to take sum of all these numbers which are not divisible by 3. Let us first calculate this sum of these numbers. Let us take this A1 and A2. This is AN. This sequence is in AP, arithmetic progression. Let us calculate sum of all these numbers. So common difference D is A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 2. We have D value as 1. Common difference is 1. We have AN. AN value is 49. Formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 49. A value is 2 plus N we don't know. D value we calculated 149. Take here we have N minus 1. 49 minus 2 we have 47. So N is equals to 47 plus 1, that is N is 48. So we have 48 numbers between 1 and 50. Obviously we can, without calculating, we can say that 48 numbers are there. Now we will take sum of these numbers. Sum of this 48 numbers Sn. Let us denote Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. So we have S48 is 48 divided by 2. First number we have 2. Last number we have 49. So 2 ones are 2, 24s are. So we have 24 into 49 plus 2, 51. Now 24 into 51. We have 1, 2, 2, 4. We got sum of numbers between 1 and 50. But in the question we have been asked not divisible by 3. Let us calculate numbers. Sum of numbers divisible by 3. We have numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 up to so on 48. Since 49 is not divisible by 3, 48 is divisible by 3. How can we say that? Because if we add 4 plus 8 we have 12. 12 is multiple of 3. So 48 is the last number. Now this is A1, A2. Take this as AN. Now common difference D. D is equals to A2 minus A1. We have 6 minus 3, that is 3. Common difference is 3. Now AN value is 48. AN value is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 48. A value is 3 plus N we don't know. D value we have 3 is equals to 48. Send this here, we have N minus 1 into 3 is 48 minus 3. We have 45. Divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So we have N minus 1 as 15. Take this here, we have 15 plus 1, that is 16. We have 16 such numbers that are divisible by 3. Calculate S n by 2 into 2a plus, let us take shortcut formula a plus l. We have n is 16, so S 16 is 16 by 2. A value 3 plus 48. Now we have 8. This will become 51. 8 ones are 8, 5 8s are 40. So we have 408. We got sum of numbers and sum of numbers divisible by 3. But in the question we have been asked numbers which are not divisible by 3. If we subtract numbers that are divisible by 3 from all the numbers, then we will get numbers that are not divisible by 3. So hence numbers not divisible by 3 is equals to all numbers sum of. So we will take sum of numbers, all numbers between 1 to 50 minus sum of all numbers divisible by 3. So this is the logic. If you want numbers that are not divisible by 3, take the difference of sum of all numbers minus sum of numbers divisible by 3. So we have sum of numbers 1 to 50 is 1000 or 1224 minus 408. So let us subtract this. 1224 minus 408. We have 8. 816 is the answer for this question.